In this video, I'm going to reveal 14 affiliate marketing secrets that you need to know going into 2022. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn what you don't know and how you can take action and make 2022 as successful as you want it. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, these are secrets that you probably don't know. Maybe you know a little bit, but you don't know the whole thing. Maybe the gurus have been keeping it a secret from you. Today, we're going to expose them. And if you have a secret that I don't cover in this video, make sure that you comment below and let us know what you know and that I don't know. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. #1, this is the key. This is the secret. If you figure this secret out, everything else is going to be much easier. You are your biggest hurdle. Now, I'm going to say it again, and I don't mean it to be disrespectful, but you are your biggest hurdle from your success with affiliate marketing. I'm assuming that if you're watching this video, you haven't really gotten started with affiliate marketing. You haven't put both feet in yet. And the reason is you've convinced yourself that there are a number of reasons why you can't be successful. The market's too saturated. I don't know what I'm doing. You've come up with a lot of smoke screens and reasons why you can't be successful, when in reality, if you push those to the side, someone has already created every single type of video and niche and blog before. If you set all of that to the side and just start creating content, you will be much more successful in 2022 than you are in 2021 and the years prior. So #1, you are your biggest hurdle. #2, affiliate marketing is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Now, the last time I looked, I think it was at like $12 billion. And the interesting thing, when people think about affiliate marketing, they only think about people telling you how to make money with affiliate marketing, when in reality, it's more of like an iceberg. You see the people on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram and wherever talking about how people can make money with affiliate marketing, when in reality, there's many more people being much more successful teaching you how to make money with mini fridges and stand mixers and just about anything else. And that's where the money is with affiliate marketing. Quite honestly, if you wanted to have a successful affiliate marketing career in 2022, you'd want to focus on things outside of how to make money online and talking about affiliate marketing. #3, and this plays off of #2, everything is a niche. Look around your house. If it was bought and sold, it is a niche that you could make money with affiliate marketing. I'm just going to look around my house. I see a Chevy vehicle. I see whiteboards. I see computer screens and monitors and PlayStation and all sorts of stuff. All of this are different niches that you can get into, create content, and start making money. And that's the key with affiliate marketing. Recliners, mattresses, mattress pads. Think about a problem and a solution. For example, when my kids were younger, they used to pee in the bed. And so we needed to think of different solutions to prevent them from peeing in the bed. And lo and behold, there was an affiliate website out there designed to help people or help kids stop peeing in the bed. So literally everything in a niche. Don't just think that you have to talk about health, wealth, relationships, and technology. You can talk about whatever you want. If it's of interest to you, you can talk about it and make money. Actually, this thing behind me right here, this was either drop shipped or an affiliate product that I bought on Amazon. Everything in this room is a niche and you can make money with it. So #4, talk about the strengths and the weaknesses of a product or service. Oftentimes when I watch different review videos and these people are affiliates, they only talk about the strengths. They make it seem like it's the greatest product or service in the world, when in reality, no product has no problems. Every product has a problem. And so you will be more credible. You'll have more credibility if you talk about the strengths and weaknesses. And if you do #4 correctly, you'll also have an opportunity, which will be #5, which we'll cover. So talk about the strengths and weaknesses of the product. For example, this iPhone isn't perfect. There are weaknesses there. There are drawbacks. So make sure that you're covering them in depth. That'll help you build some credibility. Now, #5 is offer bonuses. Now, when you talk about those weaknesses, you can offer some bonuses that will actually help turn those weaknesses into strengths, will help you build credibility, and it'll actually help your offer be a little bit stronger. For example, if we're talking about web hosting and we're promoting Bluehost, maybe Bluehost weaknesses is that their customer service isn't very good. What you could do is put a checklist of 10 or 15 things, 10 or 15 items together to help answer common questions so people don't have to go to Bluehost customer service. When you do things like that, when you try and think about the next thing that your customer is going to need, that's going to help you make passive income. That's going to help you make more money with affiliate marketing. Maybe if you're promoting ClickFunnels, you could put together a free course that if they get started with the free trial, you give them the free course that'll help show them how to use everything step by step. When you start thinking about the product and service in that way, that's going to help, as I mentioned, strengthen your offer, and that's going to help increase the amount of money that you make over a long period of time. So number 5 is offer bonuses. Number 6 is every traffic method works. I get asked all the time, does it work on Reddit? Does it work on Facebook? Does it work on Instagram? And the answer is yes. There are millions of people that are going to these different websites every single month. And you just need to get in front of a very small percent, provide value, and provide something that you need, or that they need, Forums work, Reddit works, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, you name the platform where millions of people are going, and you create content to help solve problems based on their needs that they expressed on that platform, you can make money. There's no one solution. There's no one platform better than anything else. You just need to go to where your customers are and create content to help solve those problems. So yes, every traffic method works. You just want to make sure that you are consistent and persistent when creating content on that traffic methods. Number 7, and this is the key, this is a secret right here that not a lot of people know that just get started with affiliate marketing, is email marketing is the real business. You will get some people that buy on the front end, but you will get many more people that buy on the back end. And the back end is with email marketing. And so that's why I push and I tell you to collect emails, start email marketing for free, because that's where a lot of your sales are going to come in. In the very beginning, people are curious and interested in what you're talking about, and they may not actually trust what you're saying without doing a little bit more research. If you're not collecting emails and following up with them with email marketing, you are missing out on probably about 85 to 90% of your opportunity. Now, in the beginning, that's going to be huge because you're not going to have a lot of traffic and a lot of visitors. Once you get to the point where you're getting 100,000, 10,000, when you're getting 1 million page views per month, email marketing won't be that important to you, maybe, but in my opinion, when you're first getting started, you want to make sure that you are sending people to a landing page and collecting their email. One of the drawbacks, one of the roadblocks, mental hurdles that I had was I didn't want to collect emails because I didn't want to, bother them. I didn't want to bug them. I didn't want to miss out on any opportunities. Most likely, if they're not willing to commit to adding their email address, they're probably not going to buy from you anyway. So make sure you are sending people to a landing page and collecting that email. After email marketing is the real business, number 8 is you need to struggle. Now, what we can do is we can shortcut the amount of time that it takes to be successful. But in the beginning, every person struggles, regardless if they're making 10K a month, 100K a month, whatever it is, whatever they're telling you that they're making, is every person needs to take a little bit of time to figure it out. Your struggle may be 2 months instead of 6 months, but the struggle is good. It's going to help you figure out what type of content that your target audience wants, and it's actually going to help you build a successful business that can be successful over a long period of time. You don't want to be a flash in the pan where you make a bunch of money early on, and then you don't really know how you did it, and it's hard for you to replicate. So to struggle just a little bit is good. Sometimes you just need to be pushed in the right direction. I think struggling, figuring it out, piecing it together is a great way to build a long-term successful business. Number 9 is just make content. And again, this goes back to number 1 with you being your biggest hurdle. If you just go out there and you make pieces of content to solve your customer's problem, you are going to be successful with affiliate marketing. It's the people that say, hey, buy. It's the people that jump in the comment section, whether it's on TikTok or YouTube, and they try and get you to buy stuff. You go out and create anything. It might be bad. It probably will be bad at the very beginning, but that's okay. You can take a critical look at the content that you've created and figure out ways to improve it. So I recommend to just create something. Tell your story. I talked about a few months ago, Moana and Disney princesses. If you tell your story and the ebbs and flows of a Disney princess, you will be successful with affiliate marketing. So go out there, create content, whether it's a how-to video showing them how to maybe a salmon fish or how to bass fish, or you want to talk about your story in the form of Moana or Disney princess. That is going to be your key to success. Now, number 10, only promote products you'd buy yourself. One of the other big mistakes that we make as affiliate marketers is we want to promote products because they seem to have a high gravity or other people are promoting it. I recommend that you only promote products that you would plan to buy yourself if you actually needed it. Only promoting products that you'd buy yourself offers more credibility. It also offers more trust because you can confidently say that this is a high quality product. Number 11, hop on trends. Trends are very important to your success as an affiliate marketer, especially if you're brand new. Look at Google Trends and figure out what's trending over there. Take a look at YouTube Trends as well and see what's trending and try and hop on those trends and make those trends work for you. And there are trends, things that are rising and falling in every single niche. Just do a bit of research and hop on those trends. You can also look at Twitter to see what's trending there. There are tons of websites out there that's telling you what's trending in social media, so hop on those trends. Number 12, 86% of companies have an affiliate program. And the reason why I wanted to point that out is because you don't just have to rely on ClickBank. We talk about ClickBank a lot on this YouTube channel and on YouTube in general, but 86% of companies have an affiliate program. One of the biggest questions that I see in Facebook groups is, hey, I don't know what program, or I can't find a program to promote. And 86% of companies have it. So you should be able to find a company that you feel comfortable and confident in and go ahead and promote it. So you can look on Commission Junction, Share a Sale, there's Flex Offers, there's tons of affiliate networks out there. You can also just Google the name of the company and affiliate program and see if they have a program on it. And number 13, I think this is important, especially with TikTok, is how are you different from everyone else? What I've done over the last few weeks and months is I've followed a bunch of people that are doing affiliate marketing through TikTok. And what I see is probably the same 5 videos across 20 or 30 people. And how does that make you different? What is the differentiation of you and someone else? Because you have to remember that people are just scrolling through TikTok and they're going to see the same video over and over and over again. And eventually you start to blend in. It's like seeing the same ad over and over again. How are you different? What are you doing that makes you different and makes you special that people want to follow you? So I recommend, if you're doing the Disney princess method, where you're talking about the ebbs and flows of being successful online, that's one way to make yourself different. Talk about your personal life, where you maybe have a family and you have kids, you're a single parent, whatever it may be, but make sure that you are different. And number 14, this is very controversial, is should you buy a course? So I have buy the course in question marks. Many people are hesitant to buy a course because they feel like it's a scam and everything that they need to know they can learn from YouTube. Now, in my opinion, you should only invest in a course when you have a knowledge gap. Yes, there's a ton of content on YouTube, but one of the problems with the YouTube content is it's not linear. You should invest in a course or consider investing in a course if you feel like you've exhausted all of your free resources and something's still not making sense. So that's when I recommend investing in a course or even a mentorship program if that's something that you're interested in. Buy a course. I think you should, only when it makes sense. If you are interested in Facebook ads and you've watched a few YouTube videos on Facebook ads and it still doesn't make any sense, go out and find a course or a few different courses where people are actually walking you through the process of setting up a Facebook ad and helping you make money. So those are the 14 affiliate marketing secrets. Let me know in the comment section below which one resonated with you the most, or let me know if I missed one or two. Now that you know those 14 secrets, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.